Hi everyone, it's time to announce our winners. We've had some giveaways to celebrate me reaching 10,000 subscribers, and thanks to you all. Since I announced those 2 weeks ago, I've now cleared 11,000. So thank you all so much for your support. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Now, our winners are then, I'll just look at my notes here, randomly drawn, of course, from all the emails I received. Giveaway 1, winning the kit from Just For You Online, that's the clock and geode kit, all that lot, is Matthew Abbott's. Congratulations, Matthew. And giveaway 2, which is the Into Resin surprise mould selection. They're sending it to me as well, so I'm dying to see what's in it. Is Angela Young. So congratulations to Angela. Now I'll put this down in the video comments for this as well. I'll put those 2 names and how to get in touch with me. I'll also put the same message out on my community tab in the hope that these 2 people receive these messages okay. But basically, both if you'd email me at miniscenesgb@gmail.com. Obviously, I need to verify that it's actually you somehow. And I will need your postal address to pass on to the 2 suppliers so that they can send you your goodies. So congratulations again. Now, and the other thing I would like to announce is that the 3rd giveaway will be now underway, and this will be open for 1 week. So it is the 15th today. I will close the draw on the, what's that? What's a week? Help, 22nd. Is that right? Yes. I'm so bad at this. I will close the next draw on the 22nd of August 2024 and announce the winners soon after that. Now, that will be a goodie box from my own store. So there will be silicone inlays, there'll be the crystal edge mould. If I get a chance to make it, there'll be a Kermit mould and some little bits and pieces that I've made over the last few weeks. It'll generally be a lovely big gift box from my store. So all you need to do to enter that is to email to miniscenesgb@gmail.com. And this time I will need you to simply tell me what number video I am up to, because they are all numbered, at the point of releasing this video. Okay, so I've released videos over the last few days, as always. So I want to know what number is the latest video released as of today, which is the 15th of August 2024. Should be a pretty straightforward one for you, that. Just to make sure that actually the people entering are people who are actually watching my channel and paying attention. So there you go, folks. Congratulations again to, let me just check the names, Matthew Abbott and Angela Young, if you'd both get in touch. And good luck, everyone, with the final 10k subscriber giveaway. As I said, that will only run until the 22nd, 9 p.m. UK time, and I will then announce the winner soon after. Thanks again, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you for the next video.